how to make your Instagram Explorer page normal, or how to reset your Explorer page. So if we go to the search icon right here, the second option, as you can see, there might be some posts that you don't want to be seeing here. Now, the first we have how you can remove certain posts and stop or prevent them from showing up again. You just click on the post itself. Oh geez. Okay, just click on the three dots next to follow. And here we want to select not interested. Now, this person's post will no longer show up in our Explore page. Okay, now you can do this for individual posts, or another thing you can do is clear your previous searches. Okay, so how we can do that? We go back to our profile right here. Then you click on the three lines in the top right corner and you click on your activity, the third option starting from the top going down. Here we want to locate recent searches and we just press on clear all like that. Okay, so those are two ways how you can fix your Explore page on Instagram. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.